Hi, welcome to Cooking with ABN. My name is Ashley Beale, and I'm a registered dietitian. In my practice, I specialize in working with clients with eating disorders, and a large part of my job is supporting clients in healing their relationship with food. This also means that I come across countless misconceptions that my clients have been told over the years, especially when it comes to preparing food in the home. That's what gave me the inspiration for this cooking series. Join me as we work towards making cooking more accessible and much less stressful. On Cooking with ABN, we will go over meal prepping tips and tricks to make cooking feel more manageable, put together tasty and nutritious meals, walk through recipes together step by step to make the process less overwhelming, approach foods neutrally from an all foods fit lens, and I will share some of my own strategies to making meals more filling, nutritionally balanced, and family friendly. Throughout each video, I will offer suggestions on what type of cooking equipment you might need, options for different ingredients, and how you can make the most out of the recipe that you're making. As a disclaimer, the content in these videos should not be used as a replacement for your own medical or nutritional care. I encourage you to take what feels helpful and leave the rest behind. If you're interested in learning more about me or my approach to nutrition, I will link my website below for more information and resources. Thanks so much for being here. I look forward to cooking with you.